Alright, big man, we are done.
We're done with this one bag of this. Oh, two bags.
That's right, dude.
Wow. Kai's
So let's see Kai. Can you hold Kai still for a minute for me? Here, set him down right here. So we've got Kai in all of his glory. This is probably one of the coolest Kais that we have, right?
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if there's any other Kai that is cooler design than this. I'm a big fan. Now, let's see Luke. Can you put him down?
Whatever.
Yeah, just put him down right here next to Kai. Can you do that for us? Oh, you're gonna double him up with the swords. Alright, kiddo, you wanna put him down? Oh, okay. Set him down. Set him down. Set him, okay. Okay. Alright. Alright, so this Luke, his helmet's pretty cool. He has got a visor like none other I've seen before. It's almost like a welder's visor, but it's pretty cool. Alright, awesome, bud. Now let's take a look at the katana. Now, this vehicle, it's got a lot of like hidden movements. If you move these wings, they fold out, and whoa. I shot that.
So that fucking loose piece it.
Go for it. You can find it? Fell somewhere. Alright, so it has these parts that retract out, and there's a little shooter right in there. And this side, it does the same thing. Now, Kai has his cockpit in here. Kai's got a cockpit here. And we've got the flames going out the back. Alright, now we found the shooter. Now, yeah, Luke, he's got his motorcycle here. That's pretty cool. It's a really different design. We haven't seen any motorcycles like this in any of our sets, right? Not that I can remember.
Yeah, that because I buy it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so Luke's in here. You want to put Kai in his katana? Kaitana? Is it a katana? Or kaitana? Full of jokes. Alright, Kai, things may get uncomfortable because you're wearing two swords in the back and holding a sword. So he's going to take a relaxed stroll, as it is. Alright, big man. Thank you very much for sharing this with us, bud. Do you have any final words for our friends at home?
Big for Boston for next fair. Bye.
Bye, dude. Have a great day. Thank you very much, big man.